Hey guys, Joshua Stern, Keller Williams, and the Utah Roost High Performance Coaching Group. I wanted to address what sellers really need to do to prepare their homes for sale. In the market that we're coming out of, the last maybe year, 2 years, properties didn't need to be staged. You could have red and purple and orange walls, and buyers didn't really care. And that market has totally changed. And so you can't really get away with not staging properly a property, and especially the little things like flooring and paint. Those are things that are going to go a long way in helping you maximize the amount that you sell your property for, and also minimize the amount of time that you're on the market, because as a seller, time on the market is your enemy. In fact, if you're on the market for more than 14 days and you haven't had 10 showings, the market's telling you you're 3 to 5% or more above where they are. Now, if you're on the market for 14 days, you get the 10 showings but no offers, you're probably about 3% above where the market is. So pay attention to staging and painting.